Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So just briefing update on the Forex market. As you can see, not many events that we need to comment. The market gradually is moving lower. It's now, comfortably stand below the low, so we do not see any signs of the washing rings. Or to just stop grabbing here below this area and returning back up. The market just broken through this area and is moving lower. So here, as you can see, interesting situation with this doji. So this cross is actually usually tells about the indecision, and the decision making is showing usually with the price breakout of the range of this candle. So you can see initial drop, then one indecision session, and the market thought about what to do next, and now we have the downside continuation. So that's the decision making, and market is right now moving lower. On the daily chart, we are still focused on the 1621 area. So this is OP, major ABCD pattern here, and it's also weekly confidence support. So that's an area approximately that we considering for potential taking the long position. So not maybe for major trend reversal, but for short-term reaction on the strong support. But since this support stands on the weekly chart, this short-term reaction might be, for a few sessions. Also, you can see here is a minor ABCD pattern is forming with approximately the same target around this 1620. Market is not at oversold right now. Trend stands bearish, so here is everything is moving absolutely logically. On the lower time frames, I do not see something really special. So on the follow time frame chart, it's just straightforward downward action here. On the hourly chart, that was a bit dramatic action recently. Even this retracement that we talked about has happened, but it happened so that it was absolutely not possible to trade it. It was just lots of volatility around it, and it was just minor spike here. In the case if market will start forming some pullback, that probably will be either to the 1695 or at maximum to the 1711. Although I think that the 1711 right now stands too far for a current situation in the market, because the market currently is aiming on the target that we have on the daily chart. Since it's not at the support or at the oversold, there's no reasons to show some deep retracement. This probably retracement will be, if it will be at all, this will be very small. So that's actually what we have on euro currency. On the other currencies, mostly everything is moving in the same direction. So if we'll take a look at the New Zealand dollar, our setup that we discussed last week is now coming also to the final stage. It's very similar to the euro currency. The same ABCD pattern, the same OP around the confluence. The only difference that the confluence here stands on the daily, while on the euro currency we have on the weekly. But mostly the combination is the same: the strong OP area and the confluence support. On the Canadian dollar that we discussed recently, it was only minor reaction in our pattern. So you can see it was just a few pips retracement, approximately 30 pips and pullback. Minor ABCD pattern has been formed. And then market is moving higher. So that's logical as we see the action on other currencies. It also stands in favor of the United States dollar. So I don't see a lot of things to do right now on the euro currency. So those of you who have short positions probably could hold them till the target. Those who intend to go long, now it makes no sense to consider something on the intraday charts. And where they stand aiming on the final OP target, and we start to investigate the chance for taking the long position probably in the next week already.